Hey, it's Andrew Shackleton, LePage, Wolle Realty, Kitchener-Waterloo's best realtor. Today I want to talk to you about your home's plumbing. If you go way back, say, 1910, 1920, you might end up finding cast iron or galvanized steel piping in your house. That's a galvanized cap, bright silver. This stuff's just, bare steel. It's dark, like this piece as well, iron or steel. This stuff's problematic over time. This is what you don't want to see in your house. But after galvanized and cast iron, copper is probably the most common type of plumbing you'll see, and that's still to this day. Copper is a super easy material to work with, and it's very durable for supply side for your water coming in.
Okay, here we go. Got the flux here. Get these parts assembled quick. Bit of that on here. I already got the torch running. Put these together. Now, one mistake a lot of people make, including me, is getting stuff too hot. So I'll try not doing that. So here we go. So solder, like a lot of metals when you're doing metal work, flows from cold to hot. So you heat up your joint, and then you're heating underneath, the heat will rise upward. And when I get this hot enough, the solder will actually just flow into the joint. You just keep testing. It's just almost hot enough now, you can see, because the solder melted there, but not quite. There you go, it just melted. Go around the other side. Now I'll do the other one. Okay, this one should be pretty hot now because I was heating up the joint from before, so I bet you it'll almost melt right away. Yep. Make sure you get all your spots. And that's it. Really, really, really simple. Pop this out, give you a quick look. Now we got solder all the way around, which is exactly what you want. If you're not sure, you just put a bit more flux on there and run a bit more heat into the joint, but that's it. It's that easy to do.
So probably 90% of what I see has got copper. Nothing wrong with it, it's a great material. The other two kinds of piping you'll see in houses are modern, and they're both plastic. One's really good, one's really bad. I'll show you a little picture of the first one. It's called Kitech. This stuff, look at this orange color, comes in orange and it comes in blue. It will fail at some point and flood your whole house. So if you got Kitech, you got to get taken out. Probably $10,000, maybe $15,000 to get a house stripped out if it's got Kitech. The other kind they're using now, which is okay, is called PEX. And if you look at the picture I'm showing you here, you got red, white, and blue. White's just generic. Red would be for hot, blue would be for cold. It's fine. The reason they use it instead of using copper, it's simply a cheaper alternative, and in some ways it's easier to work with. So that's what you got for your supply side coming in. You've got galvanized or cast iron, which is bad. You've got copper, which is great. You've got PEX, which is great. And then you've got Kitech, which is bad. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped you.